Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Payoneer to Gumroad. Alright, so I would like for you to know that Gumroad does not natively support Payoneer as a payout option. However, you can bypass this restriction by using Payoneer's global payment service to generate a virtual US bank account and link it to Gumroad as a standard bank transfer. Now, how do we do that? Go ahead over to your Gumroad's dashboard. And then in the left panel, scroll all the way down, click on Payouts. Now go ahead and click on Settings right here at the very top. Scroll down, and here we have the payout method. Keep it to bank account. And then what you do under your Payoneer account is that we need to go ahead over to Get Paid right here in the left panel, and then go ahead and click on Receiving Accounts. And then once done, make sure that you select USD receiving account right here. If you're not verified yet, well, go ahead and verify it right here. So I just verified my account. When you go ahead and click on Approved Accounts, you'll be able to see USD right here, as well as GBP or Euro. So go ahead and click on your US receiving account. Click on it and you'll be able to see informations like a bank name, or routing number, or ACH, and account number. So go ahead and keep the tab open, copy the information that is needed, paste it right here, paste, copy, paste. You know what I mean. All right. So if you're wondering, what type of account should you choose right here under account type? You can just go ahead and click on this hyperlink, okay? You'll be able to see it right here. So once that's done, scroll down, add in your first name, last name that is tied to your Payoneer account as well. Scroll down, add in the address, city, postal code, country, phone number, your date of birth. And once that's done, scroll all the way up and click on Update Settings. And after that, you should be good to go. So if you get the error that says invalid account number or invalid routing number error, well, it means that Stripe or Gumroad's payment gateway has flagged or blocked the virtual bank details because Gumroad explicitly states they do not natively support Payoneer, as their fraud and validation systems frequently reject these virtual routing numbers. All right, so if you can't successfully connect it, well, just go ahead and use whatever payout method is available in your region right here, such as bank account, Stripe, or even PayPal. All right, so that is how you connect Payoneer to Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.